Welcome back. So replacing your air conditioner is not always a simple task, but peace of mind during an install process is priceless. Steve Johnson, president of Mose Son, knows that all too well. They've replaced thousands in the metro, and he just went through it himself. Here's everything a homeowner needs to know. What did you have to do to get ready for this?
So first off, I didn't even know I needed a new air conditioner until we had a home inspection done. And the home inspector said, your unit's actually a little bit undersized and that we see you might have some problems in the future. So that made the decision easy to start shopping for an HVAC system. So the technicians from Mose Son came out and they assessed my home, and they went through room by room and they measured the air quality, and they measured the difference in temperatures and the duct, and they went through all the duct work, and they went through the thermostat, they went through the whole system, and then recommended to me, here's the system that you need for your home. And they right-sized my home, and we're excited to have it put in.
Let's also talk about air quality, right? Because that's something you guys really specialize in.
I have allergies, my wife has allergies, we got a little dog runs around, he's got allergies, but the house had a funny smell, and I put an air scrubber in this home, and I'm telling you, within 4 hours, the air quality difference in the home was a game changer. It's incredible, and the amount of dust now that we don't have, the allergens are gone, the air just smells clean and fresh, and it's all because of the air scrubber. So I wish I'd have had one of these in my other homes. I never did, but I'll never be without one.
What Steve wanted about his new system, we actually put it in a humidifier installed here, put his air scrubber up in this direction up here. We made the filter access for him to change the filter much easier for Steve to reach into, slide it out to change the filter right here in front of the system. So easily manageable in this front end.
Let's also listen. It is so quiet.
We have a sound meter that we can use, and we could actually test and see what the sound decibel is for the old system versus the new system. So when I stop talking, watch what the meter can do.
Okay, so it's hitting about 50, mid-range 50. How does that compare to the old system?
Yeah, it was almost 20% louder on this other system when it was running, so that's pretty incredible, the difference between the two. This is the comfort control panel. It's more than just a thermostat. What you can do is you can actually change the temperature in the home by up and down. It also does the humidity settings and the control outdoor temperatures. And actually at the bottom portion of this thing, it actually shows the run speed of the outdoor system. I don't have to be next to the control. If I'm coming home from work, I can use my smartphone to actually turn the temperature up and down in my home. So if I decide to turn it up a little bit, I can. If I get on vacation, I come back from the airport, I can navigate the system up and down. I can turn it on and off. I can do multiple things anywhere I have a Wi-Fi connection.
Let's also talk about how can this help save energy?
Oh, it's nice because actually on this particular system at the bottom side, it actually reports to the unit how fast the system can run. So if we need very little air conditioning, the system runs at very little speed. If it needs more and the temperature rises in the home, it accelerates up and run at a faster speed.
Well, Mose Son is offering a free Royal Caribbean cruise for 5 nights with a qualifying install purchase of an American Standard system. For more information, just call 816-781-4707 or go online to cmmoseandson.com.